Kakenhon juga sur Jingkerman Society haka arpuar tarik ujemang kala pli pat ba no eka treatment and counselling center hanong po shopping complex kajing temu juga teka treatment and counselling center kalong ban yarap iki brio kiba lakerni haka jingdi penbuat kiba kentup naduk kakiat udrok bat kiwe bat kumju ru ban ai mensie miki brio kiba don hapdeng kajing du Jingkerman dakaba ai kajing selok kaba kerpang. Lawan pli da uba Mirabon CM MLA kanong po constituency hajing dan rengkat uba Bul Lingdo assistant rang ba asnong kanong po ba Justin Maring president ke Sur Jingkerman Society ba Neil J Kongwir general secretary kong Aik Shiar Vincent Lentong kiba dei kita khot society lambat kiwe
bangin selipat ba ya kani ka counseling treatment center jongka Sur Jingkerman Society ni ot on ribon bang kit box tu yang bagaimana society kani advent balangsiu on the class dawai dawai tu kuat
kedawai tersebut lagi benar sesuatu dari secretary. Memang pala alam banyak kedawai besok order tentang dan pada prescription lain secretary. Dan ini associate working dia datang dari Australia sebelum
inaugurate kan officially ni officially kan kumki kedin kerku kerdok nasngo ban ai kedin kuble ke bakapang na kam tai dum ya kane kedin don men sim dum pi ban shim ya kane ke senjam na kam tai kumki ni kita kamlong do besuk ban persah na kabanta ban pensufu awareness ane ban ai counseling ban pensufu ya ki babun ki parang som senong di jungi khamtam ki balang nok agi ding di drop lane ki ding di penbuat ki babun rukom lane ki bangat haki jing sya ban ben kum kajing sya batwor ki kelum ki kena bat kiwi ki jing stil ki babun ki badan hakane ki imlang salang kabangi ngiyat lengba hakane ke percaya ke memutlak bat ka bakendeng kamlong ke besuk denre nagalian jumpi kum di dekat filashim ya kani ke senjam kadi sisha ka bandai ban ai di dingero ya fi di dekat bat kani ke kam de ke kam ke bani ono kam de ke kam bani kamai bisa ngitip ya tapi di dekat apa kiseng ya kono society denre ni hapan ai di hiro ya kan ke bensim ke baki pidon film shop la nyo ye ke ibaro jadi ti IT ya lagi jong por ya lagi jong giding don giding em pat tu ta tu te na ga banta gani di semua go ba banda ki babun ki nong song ki jongi kindon ya giding mut giding berkat ka ba ki berkat ngam baratin manong bagi melang salam jongi yelana khamba Degi susu biang-biang ki babun ki nong senong ki jungi kidang don kam ya ki persusu ki patai nakalian jongki ki sinjam ga bisim ki don kat berarti kum society anji por ki banwan ki don kam ga ki don ban persuno la banwan ini op nirat ki kan pala nilai don kat bagi society bagi SAG bagi grup beper ki bala persang bantre ya ki kamon sobha ki banyarap na gabanta ki imlang kesalang ke jeng ngaso ban kentu bakidan gejing tre kidi bandan gejing ya tre ke bahasan da ya ki lainly ki department ki bakongsan mahajong ke sarkar kata kali police department but the health department ini gini lainly kiba directly indirectly link bat ka society ki jongki namar ba fitre na gabanta jong kitu ki bakli ki bangat ha kini ki jinglin ki basliu kung alam mene ki la amne ki drop kila mende jing kermi jong jing di bundur kom kila mende ki bala syakatan jing bahin bahasem kila mende ki drop out dari school kila mende ki bomdon jing kermen su hagalentiat ki jong ki dengan takandau pi ai ka keteng NGO jing kasur jing kermen ban ai jing kermen tin pareng jong area of hope kadon ka lenti ka jing kermen ban penilti ya gitu ke bala bakalan lenti ban persutu ya gitu ke bala de bakalan ban persutu ya ke bala sedang ngok ban kunta dada di kalong ke badon kam tu kata ni songkemen agalian jong ka sokaru kini di one stop center ke bala persyang ban pendirkam agalian jong social welfare department ban pek ban mi dalam tai itu ke badon kam bat mesko ban kentu ya fi society kini awareness repair kenang lek ban penlong nang ni sekmat ndon ni ding ke bajan bat kini department idon gi kinja insentif ki bana kalian jong department kin ai na kumta ki NGO na kumta society apa pilih kan ai ke awareness di ban dan ni ding trilang na kumta di mentoy jong bun balang bat nalor ka jing ka baki katu kat ni kinong song sinong dungi kilayo kini susu aga bede bat kini ke art di bat don ke jing ide ke bajan kam ga fitre kaban kom ke ke NDPS Andai sepak fokusan kemudian sepak drugs kena awareness ya ki nong song di jumi kila memiliki dormar senong kila memiliki seng samla kila memiliki seng lon kami makin suhu hamba komno banle komno ban kem komno ban fikir abalak ya ki bat hari bat ke bedi drugs bat kumju ha ka bedi bat ka pokso akro kumju ka bedi sepang kin sabat bor jong ki selung ki cuna ki babun ki riwen thei kiba mat yang kini kini tangba kimnut benitu kilong on notice mdan mo komplain si pulit mdan mo komplain si kisnong ndrei ki long ki victim kiba sya bande kidan ki buku kimnut benitu deneng kadau hamtam ki kilung kisna
ya kene society lasdang ya ka au ubrai di sembarang jarwa nasdang iki daki katukan ngut kiru sempang ibadan kecil injingai na benta kabah kamet imlang salang jom gathai ibaro kowe te kunju iwe na kita coba lasdang ya kene ide i ba nil jadi ongwir iba laju try keleng kung haki substance abuse, di mental health, di HIV/AIDS control, jom kajala, bat haki counseling berkira rehabilitation center berkira. Kethom bat kamram jom kani ke counseling center, ngamba kani ke society kejungi, kalong ban wanra ya ke bahaga mer ke melang salang, ha kejingyo i kejungi, ba kejingjelai jong kani kikam jindi penbuai kala jur sama pelat haki kun samla iba mentah tekane kan bu jima kan ta ya kala we kabasikman te lor ta kadau ni daka jingeron lang katukan ingun ni sim karai bom yen sedang bande na banta kenang ban khanglat nebannya da yagi kena kiban saya sesan makin lain na kane kejima kumbang tip ba kane ka jinglong kerni hakini ki kampan buai kata bangiong ka addiction ya ka ba lapan bena wat daga WHO haus nam thandai spa san kopra ba kadai kita kejimpang ka ba kabangila ban sumar mrei kabangimla pada ban koy hoy haba munta walada kalong kebajanjar ban koy ndrei lamba kadingdon jogini ki counseling center niki treatment center diba ai jing sumar ka biang ba paka ikermet scam ba kane jing jilai jong kini jing long bakarni kan nyila ban radang thong nyila ban punduna namar lada kini ki ki agane ke nang kiu na kapor te kabu jima sikade ya tim lang salang tam ha ikna tiban sahe san sai te kumta na karpat naka liang jong kisnong kitau irang birung ba sudah don lang ne kinong kitam sinong kumju ba hilong tiba keloy ban pentip singi ne ban yetre lang rengkat bani namar dapi ai lang kacing bersan ini ngirungin kakam jungi kan ya sikman ban inla pan cekri kamha ya kipai ba jong thai.
The main idea of opening this particular society, Kasur Jinkerman Society, came into place in the month of December 2022. With myself, Banil, Vincent, Justin, and some other board members coming together to try to solve, the drug menace problem that we are facing very widely in almost all districts of Meghalaya. No. So, having said that, the first step towards attaining that goal would be for us to open a treatment and counseling center, which we have done today. Hopefully, in the near future, we will also be able to have our own rehabilitation center within Riboy district, where the fees and charges will be very less compared to other private centers, very expensive. Okay, so we are trying to provide a very minimum, cost-effective treatment plan for all people who are suffering from addiction, alcoholic and also drug abuse. Because presently what is in place all over Meghalaya and Shillong is very expensive. Going to hospital comes to 30,000-40,000 rupees per visit for them to have a basic detoxification. So we want to bring it down so that at least those people who cannot afford, who are from below the poverty line, they can afford that kind of treatment. And our main vision and goal is not only particularly like Ba Medal had said earlier, to do only with addiction. We are also looking into women's rights. We are also looking into adolescent mental health and SRHR, which is reproductive health rights. And we just want society to become a better place. What I have noticed, I work extensively in Shillong. So the drug situation over there has become so huge that you have children who are as young as 12-13 years old injecting drugs. Right. So, being now I have settled in Riboy district in Nongpoh. I don't want the same situation to, arise in Nongpoh and things to be in such a bad condition where even if we try to make an impact, it will be of no use. So we have to try to lower that demand of, drugs that is coming into society now, so that we do not reach that stage where even if we open a center later on, it will just be like a business plan. It will not really be doing any good for anyone. That's about it. Thank you.